Hi, I'm Jason with Jdeation, and today I'm going to do an unboxing video. When you order one of our plates, this customer here ordered an MTM ACR 4 mounting kit plate. This is exactly what you're going to get in the mail. It comes very well packaged to ensure that there's no damage. And in your kit, you get a quick thank you and a link to some instructions. These are the power supply mounting brackets. And then of course you get our Jdeation acrylic mounting plates. These are very thick acrylic, custom cut with exactly the holes you need for your design. And then with one of our hardware kits, I'm going to zoom in there, you get absolutely everything you need, all the parts to be able to assemble one of our kits. Over here I have our Bud Box double-decker HP common slot mounting power supply mounting kit. It comes with the acrylic, all the hardware, and these are custom built, custom designed to fit exactly in the Bud Box enclosure, just like that. So when you order a kit with Jdeation, this is what you're going to receive in the mail. We think it's a fantastic product, and it's going to make your build so much faster and so much easier, and you're going to walk away with an amazing mounting kit. Thanks.